Quick disclaimer, these earbuds were given to me for my honest review. And if you hate when your earbuds fall out while working out, you might want to keep watching. Now I can ride a bike, tread, or do HIIT workouts without having that issue. Here is a quick unboxing so that you know what to expect when you receive this product. Now in the package, you'll get a USB-C to USB charger. You also get multiple size earbuds, which is a very thoughtful option since we are not one size fits all, right? And then the earbuds inside of its charging case. Case is pretty lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it being heavy in your pocket or your purse. This also has a nice digital display in the front displaying the current power status, and everything feels pretty sleek and custom fitted, as you can see. As for the earbuds, they are very lightweight but feel high quality. Best thing about this is that ring that goes around the ear that is very flexible and has a soft rubbery feel. When fully charged, 100% will be displayed in the front. A super cool feature is that when you first open the case, it immediately starts searching and pairing with your device and connects in seconds. To properly wear the earbud, simply wrap the ring around the ear first, then insert the earbud into your ear like so. They are actually very comfortable and lightweight. Then repeat on the other side. It also has a one-button design for ease of use, which controls pause, play, next track, volume, insert calls, and activate voice assistant. And the audio sounds very nice, clear, and has a little bit of bass. I hope this video was helpful.